Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the SellerPic YouTube channel, the go-to space for e-commerce sellers. Today, let's forget about AI hype for a second and talk about something super practical: how to build a Shopify store that looks high-end without spending thousands. Spoiler, it only takes minutes if you know the right workflow. Take a look at this store. Clean, consistent, almost luxury level. Most sellers think you need a big budget: photographers, studios, models, designers. But what if I told you that you can get the same look in under one day and for a fraction of the cost? Let's go step by step. First, upload your product photo. Here's a summer dress. Just drag and drop, and SellerPic handles the rest. No photography studio needed. And here's a quick tip: don't stress if your original photo isn't perfect. As long as it's clear and not overly pixelated, SellerPic can clean up lighting, adjust proportions, and even enhance the sharpness automatically. That means even a quick snapshot with your phone can be the base of something that looks like a professional shoot. Next, pick a model. You can filter by age, gender, skin tone, body type, whatever matches your brand identity. Need variety? Just hit this button to generate multiple poses in one go. This is critical for fashion stores. Shoppers want to see angles, not just one static shot. Here's the strategy. Think about your target customer. If you are selling streetwear, maybe you want a younger model with a casual vibe. For jewelry or formal wear, you might prefer a more elegant look. Matching your model to your brand identity builds subconscious trust with buyers. They feel like the product was meant for them. Now let's talk detail. For fashion, prints, seams, and textures are everything. Here, SellerPic preserves the tiny floral pattern and fabric texture. If you've ever dealt with messy AI outputs where prints shift or colors wash out, this solves that. And you are not limited to one try. If the lighting feels too strong or the texture isn't highlighted enough, you can simply regenerate with slight prompt tweaks: softer lighting, close-up on fabric, emphasize texture. Each iteration takes seconds, so you can A/B test visuals before uploading them to your store. But what if you want something less technical and more lifestyle? Easy, just change the prompt. For example, cinematic lighting, outdoor vibe, softer colors. Now the same dress looks like it belongs in a magazine shoot. Lifestyle images are especially powerful for social media. Imagine posting this outdoor version on Instagram with a short caption. Now your content doesn't just sell a product, it sells a mood. That's how you make your product aspirational instead of transactional. Let's push this into Shopify. Install a free theme like Dawn or Sense, upload the images, and look instantly professional. One thing I recommend: create at least 3 to 4 consistent hero images before you publish. This ensures that your homepage, collection pages, and product listings all carry the same polished vibe. Don't underestimate this step. Consistency across the whole store is what makes it feel like a real brand instead of a random reseller. See the difference? A store with mismatched photos feels cheap. A store with consistent visuals feels premium, and buyers trust it. This isn't just about aesthetics, it directly impacts conversion. In fact, Shopify's own research shows that buyers are more likely to complete checkout when product images look professional and trustworthy. Think of it this way: photos are your silent salesperson. If they look sloppy, customers bounce. If they look polished, they buy. One more thing: SellerPic can turn product shots into short catwalk-style videos or instantly generate homepage hero banners. These extras, videos, lifestyle shots, banners, make your store feel polished, and they take minutes, not days. Here's a practical workflow. Start with 5 to 6 product images, then generate a quick 10-second video clip for each. Use those videos in ads or TikTok reels while keeping the stills for the store itself. This way, every piece of content you make has multiple uses. One shoot, many outputs. Let's be real, a single photo shoot can cost thousands. Models, photographers, editing. With SellerPic, you cut that down to a fraction. More speed, lower cost, consistent visuals. That's the growth hack big sellers already use. And because SellerPic integrates smoothly with Canva and Shopify, your entire workflow becomes plug and play. No bouncing between 5 different tools. You go from idea to final storefront in a single afternoon. So building a high-end Shopify store isn't about budget anymore. It's about the right workflow. SellerPic gives you that realistic, consistent, scalable visuals in minutes. If you want to replicate this, link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching.